pen, apple, apple, pineapple, pineapple, apple pen, pineapple pen, pineapple pen, pen pineapple apple pen, pen pineapple apple pen. Anki. Anki. How to use. This Anki card template is a prototype I'm developing. In the future, I plan to make it easier to manage with an Anki add-on and release it for free. If you become a Patreon, you will get early access to beta versions that are still in development. However, since this is under development, operation is not guaranteed. Add image. Add image. Square image, auto. Adding an photo to the image field will automatically display a square image. ATK. ATK. Image search. Clicking on attack points will open Google image search on front field. Then add an image to the image field to power up ATK to 3000. DEF. DEF. Text search. Clicking on defense points will open a Google text search on front fields. Then adding text to the info field powers up the def to 2500. Add to fields. Add to fields. Star levels. Adding information to each field increases the number of stars by 3, up to a maximum of 12. 3 stars. 6 stars. 9 stars. 12 stars. Anki icon. Anki icon. Anki manual study. Click the Anki icon to open the Anki manual studying. Leech icon. Leech icon. Anki manual leech. When the card becomes a leech, the icon will change. Clicking it will open leeches in the Anki manual. Add sound field. Add sound field. Add sound field. Play button. When adding audio to the sound field, a play button will appear. If you add audio to any field other than sound, it will not be displayed. Audio is played when front question, audio is not played when back question. When adding audio to the info. Info. Can scroll. You can scroll when there are many characters. More info. More info. Scroll down. If you don't put enough information on the card, you can add more information in more info under the card. The meow meow cat. No type. No type. Reversed card. Currently only reversed card type is supported. Making one note will create 2 cards, front and back. Image or typed questions are not supported yet. Resize. Resize. Resize window. It scales automatically when you resize the window. The default zoom and font enlargement cannot be used as it would break the layout. Ankadroid bug. Ankadroid bug. Flicker. A little flickering when reviewing on Ankadroid. Front field add sound bug. Front field add sound bug. Like this. Sound cannot be added to the front field because the front field is being used for searching. Please add it to the sound field. Front, support. Support. Open Patreon. Click the icon to open my Patreon page. Please feel free to comment if you have any requests or problems. Also, if you like this template, please like it. I will develop more like this. Thank you. Anki.